Yo, what's good, YouTube? Consistent drill in the building. In this video, I want to challenge you to a 90-day run. Now, look, this video is for the people that want to go harder, that want to go to the next level, that want to lock in and get this money. If that's not you, then click off of this video right now. This is not for the people that want to stay average, that want to stay stuck, that don't want to go to the next level, that can't focus 10 minutes on a video that's going to change your life. If that's you, then click off of this video right now. I don't want you here. I only want people that's ready to lock in and get this money. We about to go on a 90-day run that's going to change your life forever. So for the first thing that I want you to do in this 90-day run is eliminate all distractions. Look, this 90-day run is going to be personal. You got to take it personal. And the first thing that you need to do is eliminate all distractions. You need to eliminate all distractions. I don't care if it's YouTube. I don't care if it's your friends, your family. I don't care if it's weed, alcohol, whatever it is that's holding you back. And I don't know what's holding you back, but you know what's holding you back. I don't know the ins and outs of your life, but you know exactly what's holding you back right now. Whether it's women, weed, alcohol, friends, family, video games, I don't know what it is, but it's something that's holding you back. Social media, scrolling on TikTok and Instagram, it's something that's holding you back right now. And deep down, you know exactly what's holding you back. So what I want you to do is make a list of the things that's holding you back right now and eliminate all of them. I know it might be a little tough, but we're going to replace those things with something that's actually going to be productive and get you further in life. You feel me? Like, in order to just remove the bad habits in your life, you got to replace it with something more productive. And we're going to get into that later in this video. But first things first, I want you to eliminate all distractions. Write down a list of the things that's distracting you. Cut them out right now, today. You feel me? Next, I want you to learn/go harder with digital marketing. Now, this is going to be important for you to make some money during this 90-day run. Because with the internet, there's millions to be made. If you have a phone and Wi-Fi, you can run it up in 90 days just off your phone and Wi-Fi. So that's why I'm encouraging you to learn. And if you already know about digital marketing, go harder. You know what I'm saying? Start you an Instagram theme page. All you need is a phone and Wi-Fi. I be preaching this on all of my videos because it's absolutely changed my life. And if you're new to this game and you want to learn digital marketing, you want to learn how to make money from just your phone, click the link in my description below to join my 21-day digital cash flow challenge. I show you exactly how to turn your Instagram page into an asset. In just 21 days, I break down the whole process step by step. But if you already know the game, then I want you to go even harder. These next 90 days, go harder than you ever did in your entire life. And watch, by the end of these 90 days, your life will change. Next, I want you to create more than you consume. Now, this is going to switch your mindset from being a consumer to a producer, and this is going to make all the difference in the world in the next 90 days. Just watch your life change as you start creating more and you stop being a consumer. Because let me guess right now, a lot of you are just watching YouTube videos, watching Instagram Reels, watching TikToks, buying from online stores, but you're not selling your own products. You're not creating your own content. You got to switch from being a consumer to a producer because the producers make millions. You feel me? So start creating content. Start your own online stores. Start selling your own products. You got to start creating content. You got to start creating things in this world and putting them out there. And look, in the beginning, it might be hard. You might not get no views. You might not get no sales. But over time, as you get better and better and better, you'll start making some money. You'll start getting more views. It's just like anything in life. At first, you're going to fail. But it's not failure unless you just give up. You're going to learn through all of that. You're going to learn what to do, what not to do, how to actually make money, how to actually get views. If you stick with it long enough, you just can't give up. So in the next 90 days, I don't care what you do as long as you create more than you consume. Next, I want you to step out of your comfort zone. Like, in order to get something that you never had, you got to do something that you never did. So you got to step out of your comfort zone. You got to try out new things, whether it's, like I said, creating content, whether it's starting an online store, whether it's starting an Instagram theme page, whether it's starting a YouTube channel, whether it's going for a walk, whether it's reading some books, whether it's learning a new skill. In these next 90 days, I want you to step out of your comfort zone and try something new. This is going to hack your brain and put you in a new paradigm. And I'm going to keep it a buck with you, dog. Like, nothing will change if you don't step out of your comfort zone. Your comfort zone is meant to keep you safe. It's not meant to level up. Like, you got to get comfortable being uncomfortable. You know what I'm saying? Like, that's the only way that you're going to level up. So if you're not satisfied with where you're at right now in life, you got to do something different. So that's why I'm recommending step out of your comfort zone for the next 90 days, learn a new skill, start reading some new books, start creating content. Just do something that's out of your comfort zone. You have to. I know it's going to be a little difficult at first. It's going to be hard. Like, anything you do in life is going to be hard. Don't get fooled by this social media shit. It's not easy at all. Anybody that's actually tried, they know it's not easy. I know on Instagram, it might look like everybody already got everything figured out, everybody rich, everybody famous. That's not the case. But step out of your comfort zone for the next 90 days. Watch your life change. Next, I want you to let go of your limiting beliefs. This might be one of the most important things on this list, because your mind is so powerful. Your mind will stop you from getting rich. Your mind will literally stop you from getting rich. I want you to think about that. Your mind will block out opportunities. Like, sometimes you might not know it, but you scared of getting rich because you don't know what's going to happen when you get rich. You might not know not one rich person in your life, so you might be thinking, like, when you get rich, you're going to become a target. You know what I'm saying? Deep down, that might be your thoughts. But you got to let go of your limiting beliefs, because deep down, you might not feel like you can even do it. But if you don't feel like you can do it, then you never will. Like, everything starts in your mind. Life is a mind game. So you got to let go of your limiting beliefs. And what I recommend for you to do for the next 90 days, do not take a day off, is just start saying some affirmations to yourself. I know it might sound kind of crazy at first, but just start telling yourself, like, I am rich. I am a multi-millionaire. I am healthy. I am confident. I can do anything I put my mind to. And look, I want you to set a goal for the next 90 days, right? So let's say your goal is to make $10,000 in a month. So I'm going to just draw 10K. For the next 90 days, your goal is to make $10,000 in a month. Every single day for the next 90 days, just start telling yourself, like, I am so happy and grateful I am now making $10,000 a month. I am so happy and grateful I am now making $10,000 a month. Say that to yourself every morning for the next 90 days, and I promise you, your life will start to change. Next, I want you to get more aggressive. Nobody is coming to save you, so you got to get more aggressive. You got to go after what you want in life. If you want that 10 bands a month, go get it. You know what I'm saying? Ain't nobody going to hand it to you. It's not going to be an easy road. There ain't going to be no shortcuts, none of that. You got to go get it. You got to be more aggressive. All of that passive shit is not going to get you nowhere. For the next 90 days, I want you to get more aggressive and go after what you want in life full force. You know what I'm saying? No brakes. All gas, no brakes. Next, I want you to learn how to say no. This is another important one, because if you got a big heart like me, right, you say yes to a lot of shit that you need to start saying no to, because it's death by 1,000 cuts. And you might not realize it, but over time, that shit drains your energy. So let me just draw it out for you, right? So let's say you got 100% energy right here, and you just start saying yes to a bunch of different things. So your energy is just being spread out all over the place. And let's just say each one of these is 5%. By the time you done, you on like 50% energy. Let's just say 5% right here, 5% right here, 5% right here. Each thing that you say yes to, you draining your energy. 5% right here, 5% right here, 5% right here. And before you know it, you don't got no more energy left for what you actually need to do, for your goals, for your purpose, for yourself, even for yourself. So you got to start saying no to a lot of things. Anything that's not moving you forward, anything that's not helping you make progress, you need to start saying no to. I know it's going to be hard because you got a big heart, but you got to start saying no. You got to start being a little selfish. I know it might sound crazy. Just start being a little selfish. And then later on, once you actually accomplish your goals and everything like that, you'll be able to help out people a lot more, 10 times more. But right now, you got to start focusing on yourself and pour into you. Pour into yourself first, and then you can start pouring into other people. But if you just start saying yes to everything, keep saying yes to everything, your energy is being drained and you ain't got no time for yourself. I know a lot of people feel like that. I know a lot of people feel drained and you not able to focus on yourself because you spending all of your energy on other people. You know what I'm saying? So learn how to say no. The next 90 days, start saying no a lot more and just start focusing on yourself. And then later on, you can double back and help everybody as much as you want. Next, I want you to stop comparing yourself. Like I said earlier, this 90-day run is personal. Focus on yourself. Stop comparing yourself to other people. Stop comparing yourself to what you see on Instagram and YouTube and TikTok and all that other shit. Stop comparing yourself. Comparison is the thief of joy. So in these next 90 days, just focus on yourself, dog. Just focus on making progress in your life every day, whether it's 1%, whether you just getting 1% better every day, 1% closer to your goal every day. You making progress. And that's going to make you a lot happier. That's going to make the journey a lot more fun and enjoyable. You know what I'm saying? Stop comparing yourself to other people, because a lot of the shit you seeing online is cap anyway. Last but not least, I want you to set goals for the next 90 days. In this 90-day run, set some goals for yourself. Like I said, if it's that 10 bands a month, write that down. But I don't want you to just focus on money. Everything is not about money. Set some health goals for yourself. Set some personal goals for yourself as well. And just start setting goals, because how you going to get anywhere if you don't know where you're going? Do all of these things for the next 90 days and watch your life change forever. I'm telling you. But look, if you on this 90-day run with me, comment down below. Let me know that you here with me. Let me know some of your goals for the next 90 days. And let's lock in and get to this money, man. If you want to learn how to turn your Instagram page into an asset so you can stop scrolling, you can start creating content, you can start making some money online, click the link in my description below to join my 21-day digital cash flow challenge. That's all you need. I break down everything step by step on how to get to this money on Instagram and create an income for yourself online. But I hope that you got value out of this video. If you did, drop a like and subscribe to the channel if you're new for the culture. But I'm out, man. I'll catch you on the next one.